Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a picture in a table in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert a picture. Go to a page. Firstly, go to the window menu. Enable the pages section. And we can see here show the all pages at once. Select the page, then create a table. Select the table tools and draw a table into this Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert a picture into this table. Firstly, remove some columns and rows. Now I remove some rows. Now I insert row 3, then press enter and resize the table cell and make some big. Then select the picture option or place tool option and choose picture from our file. You can see here many picture. Now I select this picture and click open. Then we can see here insert a picture into a table cell, but this size is very big. Now I resize this picture. Go to the tool section and select the move tool and select this picture and resize the picture small. Then zoom in this document, press Ctrl and press roller or wheeler on our mouse and resize into this table cell. Then click outside of the table. Now we can see we insert a picture into a table cell very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.